Benefits of cayenne pepper and lemon water, uses and recipe. What happens when you drink cayenne pepper mixed with lemon water? Over the last few years, this mixture fast becoming popular throughout the world because when cayenne pepper and lemon water combine together, they become health-promoting powerhouses. It offers unique health benefits due to the unique ingredients, such as citric acid and capsaicin. In today's video, you will learn about all the important benefits of cayenne pepper mixed with lemon water and how to prepare this amazing drink. So please stay with us till the end to know the exact way to prepare this mixture. Cayenne pepper is a popular spice and is used as a medicinal herb. In fact, it has been used for thousands of years to treat many health problems. Cayenne are a type of chili pepper and which used in cooking. It contains several beneficial nutrients. Cayenne pepper is rich in vitamin A and vitamin E. It also contains manganese, vitamin C, and vitamin K. It is a good source of fiber and is low in calories. On the other side, lemon is already packed with nutrition and is well known for its health benefits. It is a rich source of vitamin C, folate, vitamin B6, potassium, copper and magnesium. Let's discuss some impressive health benefits of drinking cayenne pepper mixed with lemon water. Helps with weight loss. This mixture can also help with weight loss and proper weight management. Lemons are high in pectin fiber, which reduces hunger or food cravings. It helps to increase nutrient uptake from healthy foods by promoting healthy digestion. While cayenne pepper also helps to naturally boost the metabolism, which can lead to extra calories being burned throughout the day, that also helps you lose weight over time. It balances pH levels in the body. An unbalanced pH prevents your body from healing itself. It affects the body's nutrients uptake process from the food. Drinking cayenne pepper mixed with lemon water regularly can help remove acidity in the body, including uric acid in the joints. That is one of the primary causes of pain and inflammation. If you want to know more about alkaline foods, then check out this video. It enhances your mood and energizes you. Lemon water contains more negatively charged ions, which provide your body with more energy when it enters the digestive tract. The scent of lemon also has mood-enhancing and energizing properties. Lemon can also help reduce anxiety, depression and enhance your mood. It's good for skin. Consuming a mixture of cayenne pepper and lemon juice can improve skin health. Since cayenne pepper is rich in antibacterial and antifungal properties which can improve the look of the skin. Vitamin C and other antioxidants can increase skin health by eliminating free radicals and reducing oxidative stress. This improves the look of the skin and reduces signs of aging, such as fine lines and wrinkles. The alkaline nature of lemon water also kills some types of bacteria known to cause acne. Additionally, consuming cayenne pepper mixed with lemon water can help to improve overall heart health and decrease the risk of developing heart disease. You will get all these incredible benefits when you drink this mixture. Now let's take a look how to properly prepare this healthy drink. To prepare this drink, you will simply need about 1 to 2 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and a dash of cayenne pepper. Heat the water to your desired temperature and then simply mix all of the ingredients together. Let it cool down and drink. You can also add a teaspoon of organic honey to improve the taste. Please note that you do not need to consume these ingredients in large amounts to obtain their health benefits. Just drink 1 cup per day in the morning on an empty stomach. That's good enough for you. Now let us know, would you like to try this drink? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. If you like this information, then please press the thumbs up button on the video to support us. And share this video with your friends and family. To learn more about this type of useful recipe and foods, please subscribe and tap the bell icon below for getting regular updates. And lastly, be sure to check out our other videos too. Stay fit and thanks for watching this video.